Hey everybody, yes, I have these super cool protective lenses on and they complement and come with this here battery powered chainsaw. I do reviews, but this one has probably been my most fun because this thing is legit. It does some stuff that I'm getting ready to share with you in a massive way, and especially as somebody that is does a lot of yard work. This thing comes in handy like nobody's business. So if you're watching this and you have some questions, you want some questions answered about this, I assure you I'm getting ready to do that as fast as I can talk. Now, this company did reach out to me and say, hey, Brian, can you give one of your detailed, honest reviews of our portable electric chainsaw? Who am I to say no? And so full disclosure was provided to me, but it will not negatively nor positively affect this review. Let's get into it. So this company here, Not Titty, reached out to me, and this is a electric chainsaw. Whoa, talk about power, man. I just want to use this all day long. I'm gonna end up with a yard with absolutely no trees if I don't watch out. This thing is crazy awesome. It does what I was hoping it would do, and it does it in a fantastic way. You might be able to hear from this. That is some serious power. I'm not playing around. I've used gas-powered chainsaws for many years. This thing slices through wood like butter. So if you need something that's gonna prevent you from using a handsaw, or if you need to trim up limbs or whatever it is, I would say small trees, because the length on this is 6 inches. So this is a 6-inch blade. And it does come with a spare chain. It does come with a bottle for your oil chain lube. The lube does not come with it. It does come with 2 gloves for safety. It also comes with these safety eye goggles, glasses that are expandable to based on the size of your cranium, your skull. It does have a handheld, very convenient screwdriver here, because if you're going to change out your blade, there is a 1 screw right there. It also comes with another screwdriver as well. So you gotta have a couple extra things going on here. That will allow you to quickly change out and tighten or loosen the chain. It does have a safety guard here that you can move up and down. And then very convenient. Again, I'm just going back to my gasoline powered chainsaws, where it's a pain in the butt to change the chain. Very easy. And so if you're looking for something from an ease of use, I cannot speak volumes on how convenient and easy this is to use. Literally just 1 screw. You just hand tighten it on there and you are good to go. I mean, holy mackerel. And I've never seen an electric chainsaw with a light. This thing has a light in there, so if you are using it in a low light situation, you can like zoom in right on that light. It does have this carry case. It's very nice, durable. Everything fits in there nice and neat. Not only 1, but two batteries. And it comes with a charger with an LED indicator that tells you red or green if it's charged. I think I had this right out of the packet for maybe an hour. I wasn't paying too much attention to it. And it was charged up, but you can, I mean, that is on point. From a safety standpoint, besides the cover here to protect your hand from things getting on you, it does have a required push pin, or push button. So you have to push this for the trigger to engage. So right now it can't do anything. I have to press this and then it will engage. So you're in good hands having it like that, because you don't have to be worried about doing this. Also, from a power standpoint, this thing's rocking 750 watts. No load speed at 6,500 RPMs. That is some crazy power with a rated voltage of 21 volts DC. Very powerful. And so if you need a handheld chainsaw that will slice through wood like nobody's business, this is very nice, very convenient, lightweight, crazy powerful. The sound doesn't do it justice. You might be thinking, oh man, is it too loud? If you've used an electric chainsaw, if you've used a gas-powered chainsaw, I mean, you got the ear muffs, you're trying to protect your ears, you're crazy loud. This may seem loud just because of how it's coming through, but it's not something where you're gonna need ear protection, in my personal opinion. That's very subjective. Also has protection here as far as your hand. So if you're going to town on something, cutting it, this right here is where the piece of wood is cutting. I'm not gonna get my hand too close there because the battery is in, and it will grab it and just, slice right through it. Hopefully you can get that through this video here. Very, very, very impressed. Natiddy, Natiddy. Awesome. I think these actually come in a couple different colors. This happens to be a lime green color. And if I didn't say, this is a 2000 mAh lithium ion battery. Very easy to take on and off. It just slides off, slides on. Just, I normally don't give reviews this good, but as somebody that has gone through the struggles of using a hand chainsaw, a gas chainsaw, all the stuff that goes along with it, man, this thing is just a necessity in my personal opinion. Hopefully that answers all your potential questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.